Hello, class 8. The topic, the American War of Independence, has been discussing since this week. In 1774, all the British colonies in America attended the First Continental Congress in Philadelphia. It was openly declared that the British government had no right to tax the American colonists. They also appealed to the British King George III to remove all those restrictions which were imposed on the industries and trade in American colonies. The king, however, rebuffed their appeal and sent British troops to suppress the discontent among the Americans. The war broke out in Lexington and Concord in April 1775. After the struggle, the Second Continental Congress was held and it was decided to declare a war. George Thomas Jefferson and Benjamin Franklin were declared their leader. George Washington was made the commander in chief of the American army. Common Sense and The Right of Man were the two pamphlets by Thomas Paine encouraged the American colonists to fight for their freedom. The colonies adopted the American Declaration of Independence on 4th July 1776. It was prepared by Thomas Jefferson and his committee. This declaration was based on the ideal of human freedom. The American Revolutionary War started in 1775 and lasted for the next 7 years. The French, the Spaniards, the Dutch came forward to help the American colonists. The warfare finally came to an end with the victory of Allied forces. The British were forced to sign the Peace Treaty of Paris in 1783. The impacts of the American War of Independence were the political domination of England in America drew to an end. Colonies all over the world were inspired to fight against the imperialist British government. Democracy was established in many countries of the world. All the American colonies attained freedom and the Constitution of the USA was established. The Bill of Rights were added to it and it ensured fundamental rights to all the citizens of USA. Independence, revolt and self-determination became keywords for all colonies of the world. Many Asian and African countries followed suit and fought to free themselves from bondage. Today, the American Revolution is considered to be a great source of inspiration for all freedom loving patriots. The topic is over. Thank you.